Mix the ingredients. Hello friends, this is Naqib from Best Spicy Recipes. I hope you are fine and healthy in these lockdown coronavirus days. Today I'm going to show you a new and spicy recipe. Today I'm going to make spaghetti in a new way. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos. Friends, first I'm going to boil the spaghetti. These should be a little bit hard, not too much soft. This recipe is very easy to make, but it is very spicy and tasty. So when water boils, add the spaghetti. Okay friends, move it gently and keep the heat medium. Spaghetti must not be too much soft. Okay friends, in 5 minutes in medium heat spaghetti will be ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. My spaghetti is ready. To fry the tomato paste, first add some oil. Keep the heat medium. Okay friends, now add tomato paste. Salt as required. Black pepper, red chili powder, chopped ginger, and turmeric powder. Mix the ingredients. And saute the ingredients for 3 minutes more in the low heat. Okay friends, after 3 minutes I'm going to add the spaghetti. Now mix the spaghetti with keep the heat low. Mix it well.